Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I've got something incredible to share with you today. Picture this. You're standing in your living room, looking at all the dust on your furniture, and you think to yourself, how am I going to get through all this? Your back hurts just thinking about it, your hands are already tired, and you haven't even started yet. What if I told you there's a way to clean your entire home without feeling exhausted afterward? What if you could actually enjoy keeping your space fresh and organized? That's what we're talking about today. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for every single tip. Before we get started, I need to ask you for a quick favor. If cleaning has been tough for you, hit that like button right now. And please subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks because we upload new content every week designed just for people like us. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive in and change how you think about cleaning forever. My story and why this matters. Let me tell you a bit about myself. My name is Marcus, and I've been dealing with arthritis for years now. When you have joint pain, cleaning becomes one of the hardest tasks in your home. Every movement feels difficult. Bending down to pick something up, that's painful. Lifting heavy buckets, forget about it. Scrubbing floors, that's a whole different level of challenge. Over the years, I've discovered that the secret isn't working harder. The secret is working smarter. I've collected dozens of cleaning hacks that have made my life so much easier. And that's why I created Seniors Cleaning Hacks. I want to share these tricks with you so you don't have to struggle the way I did. Whether you're a senior, you have physical limitations, or you just want cleaning to take less time and energy, these tips are for you. So grab yourself something comfortable to drink. Maybe it's tea, coffee, or whatever makes you happy. Get comfortable because we're about to make your cleaning routine completely different.
Simple cleaning hack number 1, the angled broom revolution. Let's start with something that changed my life completely, the angled broom. If you don't have one of these in your home right now, you're missing out on something that costs less than $2 but works like a $1,000 piece of equipment. Here's the thing about traditional brooms. They require you to bend over constantly. You have to crouch down to get into corners. You have to stretch and strain to reach underneath furniture. Your hands get tired, your back gets sore, and somehow there's always a little pile of dust in the corner that seems impossible to reach. The angled broom completely changes this. The bristles are positioned at an angle that gives you incredible leverage. You don't need to bend down as much. You don't need to use excessive force. You can sweep your entire floor with minimal effort, and everything actually gets clean. The angle means you can reach into corners without twisting your body in uncomfortable ways. You can slide it under furniture easily. You can even use it to clean bathroom walls and shower corners without any difficult bending or stretching. I have a friend named Robert who is in his 70s. He has bad knees and couldn't bend down to sweep without pain. When he tried the angled broom for the first time, he was amazed. He told me, "Marcus, I can actually sweep without feeling like my knees are going to give out." He's been using it ever since, and it has saved him so much physical strain. This is one of the most important tools you can add to your cleaning collection. It's affordable, effective, and designed specifically for people who want to clean without pain. Simple cleaning hack number 2. Forget fancy products. Now let's talk about cleaning products. Walk into any store and you'll see hundreds of different options. There are green products, eco-friendly products, all-natural products, and expensive specialty cleaners. Everyone is trying to sell you something different. Here's my honest opinion. Most of those fancy products don't work better than the simple basic cleaners that have been around for decades, and they definitely require more effort. Many of them make you scrub harder and longer, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. I'm all for helping the environment, but I also need to make sure I don't injure myself in the process. That's why I stick with tried and true cleaners, like basic household products that work. They're affordable, they actually work well, and you don't need a chemistry degree to figure out how to use them. The reason simple cleaning solutions work so well is because they're designed to be effective without requiring tons of elbow grease. You don't need to use a lot of product, you don't need to scrub like you're training for a cleaning competition. Just a little bit of the right cleaner and the job gets done. I had a neighbor named Patricia who was obsessed with these fancy green cleaning products. She would spend hours trying to make them work. She'd scrub, and the results were disappointing. One day, I gave her a bottle of a basic household cleaner, and she asked me why she had wasted so much time and money on those other products. She said, "Marcus, this works so much faster and better." The lesson here is simple. Don't fall for expensive marketing. Stick with what actually works. Your home will be cleaner, and your wallet will be happier.
Simple cleaning hack number 3. Downsize your bottles. Here's a hack that sounds small but makes a huge difference. Smaller cleaning bottles. If you're currently using those big, heavy bottles of cleaner, you need to change this right now. Go to your local dollar store or any budget-friendly store and pick up a few small spray bottles. Transfer your cleaning products into these smaller bottles. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, this will change how you clean. Why does this work so well? Smaller bottles are lightweight and easy to handle. Your hands won't get tired as quickly, your arms won't strain from lifting heavy containers. Plus, because the bottle is small, you naturally use less product, which saves you money over time. I have a friend named Helen who has arthritis in her hands. Holding heavy cleaning bottles was painful for her. She literally couldn't grip them for very long without experiencing pain. When I showed her how to use smaller spray bottles, everything changed. Now she can clean without constant pain. She can grab different bottles without switching back and forth between multiple heavy containers. She can actually keep her house clean without experiencing hand pain. This is one of those hacks that seems too simple to matter, but it really does. Your hands will thank you, your arms will thank you, and you'll find that cleaning becomes much more manageable. Simple cleaning hack number 4. Replace your trash cans. Let's talk about something that nobody thinks about when they talk about cleaning. Your trash cans. If you're using one of those massive trash cans in your kitchen, you need to make a change. I'm not saying this to be funny. Taking out the trash shouldn't feel like a weightlifting competition. When your trash can is too big and too heavy, you avoid taking it out. This means trash piles up, your home gets messier, you feel more stressed. Smaller trash cans are lighter and easier to move around. Yes, you'll need to empty them more often, but here's the good news. Taking out the trash more frequently actually keeps your home cleaner and fresher. Plus, it's not a big physical challenge anymore. I know someone named Walter who was in his early 80s. He had a massive trash can in his kitchen, and every single time he had to move it to empty it, he would groan in pain. His back was struggling, his arms were tired. After he switched to a smaller bin, everything changed. Now he can empty the trash every few days without any physical strain. He told me, "Marcus, this is amazing. I don't feel like I'm lifting a truck every time I need to take out the trash." Think about how much easier your daily life will be if one of your regular household tasks doesn't cause you pain anymore. That's what switching to a smaller trash can does for you. Simple cleaning hack number 5. Invest in a lightweight vacuum. Now let's talk about vacuuming. If you're pushing around one of those heavy vacuum cleaners that feels like it was designed to make your life difficult, we need to fix this immediately. A heavy vacuum is one of the worst tools you can use if you have any physical limitations. It requires you to push and pull with significant force. It's hard to maneuver around furniture. It tires you out quickly. And sometimes people actually avoid vacuuming because the vacuum itself is so exhausting to use. A lightweight vacuum changes everything. It's easier to move around your home. You can vacuum without feeling like you're about to collapse afterward. The job gets done just as well, but you don't end up feeling drained and exhausted. I worked with someone named Ellen who absolutely dreaded vacuuming. Her old vacuum was so heavy that she felt tired just thinking about using it. After she switched to a lightweight model, her entire attitude changed. She could clean her floors without feeling exhausted afterward. In fact, she joked with me one day and said, "Marcus, it's like I'm vacuuming with a feather instead of pushing a brick across the floor." The weight of your tools matters so much more than people realize. When your vacuum is lightweight, you're more likely to vacuum regularly. Your home stays cleaner, and you don't have to recover from the exhaustion of cleaning. Make the switch to a lightweight vacuum and watch how much easier your cleaning routine becomes. If you haven't subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks yet, now's a great time. We share tips like this all the time, and you don't want to miss them. Simple cleaning hack number 6. Simplify your bed-making routine. Let's move into the bedroom. Have you seen those Pinterest-perfect beds with a million pillows, decorative blankets, throw pillows, and cushions everywhere? Those look beautiful in photos, but they're a nightmare to maintain. Here's my advice. Forget about those beds. Your bed should be simple. A nice quilt or comforter and maybe a couple of pillows. That's it. That's all you need. This might sound like a small thing, but it actually makes a huge difference in your daily life. When you have fewer pillows and blankets, you spend way less time making your bed in the morning. What used to take 20 or 30 minutes can now be done in just a few minutes. Your bedroom stays calmer and more organized, and you save yourself so much unnecessary work. I know a woman named Patricia who used to spend 20 minutes every morning fluffing pillows, arranging blankets, and making everything look perfect. She would adjust things over and over. It was exhausting. After she simplified her bed setup, she was done making her bed in just 5 minutes. She told me, "Marcus, I'm not getting any younger. Simplifying my bed is the best decision I ever made." Think about how many mornings you have left in your life. If you can save 15 minutes every single morning, that adds up to hours and hours of freed up time over the course of a year. That's time you can spend doing things you actually enjoy, instead of fighting with pillows and blankets. Simple cleaning hack number 7. Declutter your space completely. Here's a truth that many people don't want to hear. Clutter makes cleaning infinitely harder. The more stuff you have, the more you have to work around. The more items on your shelves, the longer dusting takes. The more objects on your nightstand, the more you have to move when you're cleaning. If you want to make cleaning easier, you have to reduce the amount of stuff in your home. This is non-negotiable. Declutter your space. Get rid of things you don't need. Remove items that don't bring you joy or serve a purpose. The magic of decluttering is that it makes everything easier. You spend less time cleaning, your home looks better, your mind feels calmer. A clean, uncluttered space actually reduces stress and creates a sense of peace. It's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a space where you feel better. I had a neighbor named Dorothy who had shelves packed with decorative items and knickknacks everywhere. Every time she dusted, it felt like she was moving a million little objects around. It took her forever. After she decided to declutter and remove items she didn't truly love, something magical happened. She could dust her shelves in half the time. And more importantly, she actually started enjoying the dusting process instead of dreading it. Start with one area of your home. Maybe it's a shelf, a drawer, or a corner of your bedroom. Remove items you don't need or love. You'll be shocked at how much time you free up, and your home will actually be easier to maintain.
Simple cleaning hack number 8. Use grilling tongs for pickup tasks. Here's a fun hack that most people never think about. Use grilling tongs to pick up clothes and items around your house. You know those long metal tongs you use for grilling? Those exact same tools can revolutionize how you handle laundry and cleanup. Why does this work? Tongs give you an extended reach. You can pick things up without bending down. You don't strain your back. You don't have to crouch repeatedly. It's simple, creative, and incredibly effective. I know someone named David who has significant back problems. Bending down to pick up laundry was actually painful for him. When he started using tongs, he couldn't believe the difference. He could grab clothes from the laundry basket without any back strain. Now he uses tongs for all kinds of pickup tasks around his home. He says it's one of those hacks that seems silly until you try it, and then you wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. This is the kind of creative thinking that makes cleaning easier. You don't always need expensive equipment or special tools. Sometimes the answer is already in your kitchen. Grab your tongs and start using them for laundry and general pickup. Your back will thank you immediately.
Simple cleaning hack number 9. Use your angled broom for high spaces. Remember that angled broom we talked about at the beginning? Well, it has another superpower that we haven't discussed yet. You can use it to clean high spaces like ceiling fans, crown molding, and other hard-to-reach areas. Just attach a microfiber cloth to the bristles, and you have an instant tool for cleaning high spots. No ladder required, no risky balancing acts, no fear of falling. Just a long broom that helps you reach places that would normally be dangerous or difficult to access. This is incredibly important for safety. Many falls and injuries happen when seniors try to stand on ladders or chairs to reach high places. With your angled broom extended with a cloth, you can clean everything safely from the ground. I have a friend named Susan who has a fear of heights. The idea of climbing a ladder to clean her ceiling fan made her anxious. After I showed her how to use the angled broom with a cloth attachment, she was able to clean her ceiling fan without any fear. She actually told me, "Marcus, I feel like a cleaning wizard now." She can reach those high spots safely and effectively. This hack solves two problems at once. It makes cleaning easier and it makes cleaning safer. That's a combination that can't be beat.
Simple cleaning hack number 10. Use wipes for your window blinds. Finally, let's talk about cleaning window blinds because let's be honest, this is one of the most annoying cleaning tasks in any home. It's tedious, time-consuming, and requires awkward positioning. Here's the solution. Grab some cleaning wipes and wrap one around your finger. Slide your finger between the blinds and boom, they're clean. That's it. That's the entire hack. Why is this so effective? It's fast, it's efficient, it doesn't require heavy lifting, it doesn't require awkward bending or stretching. You can stand comfortably while cleaning your blinds, and the job gets done in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. I knew someone named Virginia who lived in a humid area and struggled constantly with keeping her blinds clean. They would get dusty and grimy, and cleaning them was such a pain. After she tried the wipes method, her entire perspective changed. She said, "That was so easy. Why didn't I think of this before?" Now she cleans her blinds in minutes instead of spending forever on this task. This is what these hacks are all about. They're simple, they're effective, and they save you time and energy.
There you have it, friends. 10 simple cleaning hacks that will completely transform how you maintain your home. Whether you're a senior, whether you have physical challenges, or whether you just want cleaning to be easier and faster, these tips work for everyone. Before I let you go, I want to remind you of something important. Don't stress about perfection. Life is too short to worry about whether every corner of your home is spotless. If you can do a little bit of cleaning each day, or if you can tackle one task at a time, that's more than enough. Give yourself grace. Give yourself breaks. Remember that the world won't end if your home isn't perfectly clean every single day. You've worked hard your entire life. You've earned rest. You deserve to live in a home that's clean without exhausting yourself in the process. If these tips helped you today, please like this video. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss another update from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Leave a comment below and tell me which hack you're most excited to try. Share this video with a friend or family member who might need these tips. Your share might help someone else discover a way to make their life easier. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This is Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and remember, keep your home clean, but don't overdo it. You've earned your rest, and you deserve to enjoy your space without stress. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.